So the question is, what is the equivalent capacitance between a terminal A and B? By looking the diagram itself, we can say it is representing the balanced Wheatstone bridge. So based on that, we can neglect the mid one. So we can take this capacitance as C1 and this as C2, this as C3 and this as C4. So here C1 and C2 capacitors are connected in a series connection. So whenever they are connected in a series, we can write the total capacitance is 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2. So we will get 1 microfarad as a total capacitance. Similarly, C3 and C4 are connected in a series connection. So here the equivalent capacitance can be calculated by 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2, which will be equal to 1 microfarad. Now here C1 plus C2 and C3 and C4 are connected parallel to each other. So here we can calculate the total capacitance of a circuit is 1 plus 1, which will be equal to 2 microfarad. So the correct answer for the question is option C.